Hey friends, just want to do a quick video and capture history in the making, history for our YouTube channel here. We've been on this mission to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program. A while back, they changed that where you had to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. So as I mentioned, we've been working really hard to get to that. You guys, our subscribers, our viewers have been helping us get there. As you can see right over here, we've got 1,290 subscribers. That's been steadily going up since mid-December when we reached 1,000. So we're now at almost a third of the 1,000 again. So things are just looking really great. And it's all because of you viewers. So I want to thank you for that. And I wanted to capture the progress that we're making. So I'm going to go over here to this option for monetization. So I'm in the YouTube studio. I'm going to go to monetization, and you'll see here that we're at 3,991 public watch hours. So we're 9 hours away from reaching the elusive 4,000 hours, and it is actually quite elusive. It took a long time to get there. I will do another video chronicling, if you will, kind of our progress, but we started this channel sometime back in 2017. It's now the 18th of February 2020. So the 19th of February 2020, we will most definitely have reached the 4,000 mark. So I'm going to publish this video, and if you watch it, put in the comment section your what your guess at what the number will be when we capture it tomorrow. So this number down here, public watch hours, is updated every 24 hours. Not actually certain exactly what time it gets updated, but it does. So we will do another video tomorrow showing that that number is some number above 4,000. So go in the comments, put in your guess for what it would be. Share our channel if you love it. Share our channel with others. Encourage them to subscribe. If you're subscribed and you're watching this video but you've not clicked on the notification, please click on the notification bell. Click on the all notifications. That way you'll know when we come out with the next video that you need to watch. So thanks again. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you, our subscribers, our viewers, those that happen on to the channel and watch videos. We love being able to provide value to you, giving you information you can use on the daily, as we say on our podcast. So yeah, we'll talk later. We'll do another video tomorrow at some point. So you guys take it easy.